Hello and welcome to Art Attack, where my scrapbook is bursting with mini makes. Coming up, this fantastic art attack. But first, this. I get loads of great pictures like this one sent to me every day, and if you look closely, you'll see the fish has been painted on sand. You know, sand really is a good art material to draw or paint on. You can get some great effects. And have you ever seen this stuff? Sandpaper. You can get it in packs or buy the sheet from do-it-yourself stores. Try this. Take a piece as big as you can get, and you can even paint the sandpaper brown to create some really authentic art that looks like it's been designed by some ancient lost civilization. Now, a lot of that sort of art was very simple and featured scenes from everyday life. I'm just drawing a very simple picture of a person, and the idea is to keep it very simple. I'm even using a lot of straight lines. And I'm doing this one in pencil just to sketch it in. Like that. And again, a lot of those sort of ancient drawings, the bodies seem to be in funny shapes. Maybe because they didn't have Art Attack to show them how to draw them. What do you think? And just draw a very simple head shape like that. And when you're happy with your design, paint it. But as it is art from an ancient civilization, use only 3 or 4 colours. I'm going to use black, white and earthy browns. Now, I'm going to just do the hand a dark colour there, so just dark skin. Like that. It's a lot easier to do these intricate bits, obviously with a smaller brush. And you know, a lot of those ancient art forms used patterns to colour in. That's exactly what I'm doing here. Stripes and dots, I think. And just use a brown for some of the stripes as well, I think. Just block it in. And then change colour for the dots. And a few dots there, like this. And just blob them in. And when your paint is dry, just go around your design in white. And when you've painted it all, it will look something like this. Look at that. It's all coloured in using simple patterns and a few earthy colours. And you can try lots of different designs in this Aboriginal style. How about a sort of very simple turtle or some sort of lizard, really, all done using mostly straight lines? And what about this? The 2 ancient fishermen. Again, same technique, same patterns. Or what about continuing the animal theme with the fishes and the croc? All great fun to do on sandpaper.